overwhelmed by your Oracle certification exam preparation? Too much syllabus, not enough clarity, and the clock is ticking? You're not alone. But what if we told you there's a better way to prepare and clear your exam on the first attempt? Welcome to the Ultimate Oracle Questions course, your partner in achieving certification success. Here are some of the benefits of going through this course. Comprehensive coverage. Our technical experts have crafted a course that covers every exam topic with carefully designed questions. Up-to-date content. Our technical experts updated the course regularly, so you're always one step ahead of exam changes. Unlimited practice. Access the full course anytime, anywhere. Practice as often as you need, no limits, no stress. Download as PDF. You can download the questions in the PDF format and practice as many times you want. Finish your exam faster with confidence. Stand out from the crowd as a certified Oracle professional. Improve your skills, boost your confidence, and take your career to new heights. The answers are verified by experts, so you always get correct answers. Our proven track record speaks for itself. Many IT professionals have not only cleared their exams, but have also seen real improvements in their skills, confidence, and career prospects. And if you need help, our customer support team is here for you every step of the way. The Oracle certification exam doesn't have to be intimidating. With our expertly designed questions course, success is just a step away. Click the link in the description to start your journey today. Your certification badge awaits.